Why? Because the comfort zone had been burned. God ordained that the enemy come and burn their comfort zone to the ground. What? God said, you may resist growing, but you got to get up out of here. I didn't send Samuel to anoint you with oil so you could work for Achish your whole life. Can I get a witness? And see, what happens is we get ready to break through to a new level. And because of the difficulty of breaking through to that level, we decide we're going to dig in our heels and stay here. But what we don't realize is that the stress ceiling is not just a stress ceiling. I wish I had some help in here. Oh, Lord. The stress ceiling is also a strength signal. Nah, you ain't picking up what I'm putting down. It's also a strength signal. It's showing you the area of your life in which there's room for strength to be developed.